today's video we are going to witness a monumentally quick pass of the Mountain and the Isle of Man TT track. It'll be Lewis driving his McLaren, I am pasturing and trying not to fill my pants. So stay tuned, enjoy the video.
He's a flipping quick car in it. Oh, clear shit as well. That bike's hustling.
It is. You see what I mean though? That was full throttle.
Yeah, I get it. That's a fast bike, that is. Your brakes are mad. They are so bad. All the way down to the hotel?
We can go down to wherever, to be fair. I'll just follow.
Yeah, follow the bagel. Wow, that's a view, isn't it? I haven't seen that. Hell of a view.
Yeah, we'll go round there.
Oh, bike knocked off. Very respectful bike.
We'll be round there. You can see all the way down. Just waiting for those lines.
Oh my lord. That's Christ.
Back into the hotel.
Fucking hell! Oh Lord have mercy! I tell you what, I feel sorry for the flies.
I don't even know.
Yeah. Oh.
Bike behind us now. So it'll be fun. Come on, Tom.
Nice. Get up. Oh my lord! You can smell how hot it's going.
Yeah.
I'm going you now.
We're going.
Bye.
You're good?
You're good, yeah. You know.
What do you think?
Do you know what's blowing my mind? It's not even on Cup 2s.
Huh?
It's not even on Cup 2s.
No, it's on.
It's on PS4Ss.
Yeah.
It's mad, isn't it? Absolutely mad.
See up here. Big bump here. Yeah, good. Oh, yep. I think this way is so much better. What an incredible island. Yep. Van coming.
driving it so hard that the oil temperature light came on. The amount of heat that's going off that now is ridiculous. On a public road.
Yeah, public road. See the shadowing here, the heat haze coming off the McLaren. Enjoy yourself?
Good fun.
Yeah.
It got a bit hot.
Has it been like this for you, like quiet before when you've come before?
No,
Not this quiet.
no. I think it's the time of day.
Yeah.
Sort of early evening.
So we are at 6. Oh, it's Sunday and it is 7:15.
Yeah. So
So time to
21. Come to the Isle of Man Sunday at 7.
So now Mark and Tomo are going out in the Noble, and it's Tom's first time in the Noble, so this could be interesting. So as Mark and Tom speed off into the distance in the Noble, that will be in another video. However, this one is now coming to an end. Make sure you have liked, subscribed, and join us for the next video. Cheers, guys.